The life cycle of a star. For some time a star shines steadily and then it expands and turns into a red giant. Some red giants shrink, becoming white dwarfs, and later black dwarfs. This is the fate that awaits our Sun. Another part of the red giants expands even further, becoming supergiants, which eventually explode as supernova. After a supernova explosion, its remnants rapidly collapse. If the star was very massive, the core contracts to an extremely small size. In such a tiny region of space, the gravitational field is so strong that it pulls in everything, even light, forming a black hole. Less massive stars, when they explode, form neutron stars. During the collapse, the gravitational force compresses the star's core, forcing protons and electrons to merge, creating neutrons. A neutron star with a strong magnetic field can become a pulsar, rotating rapidly and emitting energy in the form of a narrow beam. What is a volcano? Most of the volcanoes on Earth are located along the boundaries of slowly moving lithospheric plates, where fractures in the Earth's crust occur. The largest concentration of active volcanoes, known as the Ring of Fire, is located around the Pacific Ocean. Some volcanoes form on the ocean floor above hot spots, and their peaks rise above the water as large islands, such as the Hawaiian Islands. Beneath a volcano at a great depth lies a magma chamber. As pressure increases within this chamber, the molten material, magma, rises through the volcanic conduit. When magma erupts from the volcano's vent, it is called lava. Fragments of rock, hot ash and toxic gases are also ejected into the air. In the open air, lava cools and solidifies, forming a mountain around the vent. What are tides caused by? On many sea coasts, the sea advances onto the land twice a day and then retreats again. This phenomenon, known as tides, is caused by the gravitational pull of the moon, which gathers the ocean's water into a tidal bulge on the side of the Earth facing it. Due to the Earth's rotation, an identical bulge forms on the opposite side of the planet. These two raised areas on the surface of the world ocean correspond to regions of high tide, while the depressed areas between them correspond to the regions of low tide. During full moons and new moons, when the Earth, Moon and Sun are aligned in a straight line, the combined gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun produces the highest tides of the monthly cycle. When the Moon and the Sun are positioned at a right angle relative to the Earth, this results in the weakest tides of the month, the neap tides. Deinonychus as a predator. Many predatory dinosaurs, such as Deinonychus, had excellent vision. Their forward-facing eyes provided good binocular sight, similar in principle to that of modern birds of prey. This allowed them to judge the exact distance to their target with just a glance. Deinonychus' terrible claw, when leaping onto its prey, drove its long, curved claw, about 12 centimeters in length, located on the second toe of its hind legs, into the animal. Some researchers believe this claw was used to injure the prey, while others argue that it served primarily to help the dinosaur hold onto it. There is also no consensus on whether Deinonychus hunted in packs. Some scientists suggest that group hunting allowed them to take down larger prey, while others believe these dinosaurs were mostly solitary. Why do cats' eyes glow in the dark? When a cat hunts at night in low light, its pupils widen so that as much light as possible reaches the retina, the light-sensitive layer of the eye. Behind the retina there is a special reflective layer called tapetum. Light reflects off this layer and passes through the retina a second time. Thanks to this, cats can see very well in the dark. When a beam of light hits a cat's eye at night, the tapetum reflects it, making the eyes appear to glow.